Have you ever wanted to have holistic wealth? Same here. So I recently have come up with a concept called the 4 F's. And the 4 F's really encapsulate holistic wealth to me. The 4 F's are faith, family, fitness, and finances. So you can look at these kind of like health, wealth, and relationships. They all kind of fall under that umbrella. But if you want to take a deep dive into the 4 F's and experience holistic wealth, let's dig in. The first thing that you want to do if you want to experience a wealthy life is get your faith in line. The truth is, the God of the Bible, the creator of the heaven and earth, is the one that made you and knows how many hairs you have on your head, formed you in the womb, and sent his only begotten Son so that you can have eternal life. That is the pillar of all life, is knowing him and giving glory to him. What I would recommend for the first step of getting to know your Creator is wake up early and read the Bible and pray. That has been such a huge step in my life, in my faith. Get up, read the Bible, and pray. Also, something that is worth doing are good works. Do charitable acts for the sake of bringing the Creator glory and getting closer to him. The next thing that I want to talk about is family, or just relationships in general. If you don't have a family, then you can go out and find one. You can form relationships with the people in your church or some other community, especially if you are bringing faith into it. And if you're doing those charitable acts, if you're volunteering, you can form relationships with the people that you're volunteering with. And family and community and relationships are so integral to the human experience. It is super negative if you don't have any positive relationships in your life. So I would encourage you to get connected with your church or someone else. I mentioned volunteering, and you can connect with people through volunteering. So if you don't have any connections, then start going to church and get plugged in. A lot of churches have discipleship groups. And if you just aren't quite there yet, that's okay. Start volunteering at preferably a faith-based organization where you are serving the underserved and where you are serving people who really have nothing to offer you in return. You're serving out of just your heart and your love for God and your desire to glorify him. And something else that builds on top of everything that I've talked about so far, a couple of things, the other F's. Fitness. Fitness is huge. Once you get dialed in on your fitness, whether that's going for daily walks or getting in the gym and lifting weights, we're all decaying away. And so the longer we can hold on to our fitness, the better. And so any level of fitness, I implore you to do. Make sure that you are staying active, because if you are not active, if you are sedentary most of the time, then you will start to atrophy. Your body, sarcopenia is a thing. Your body will decay. You will lose muscle. And then by the time you're 60, you might be somebody who feels like they can't be active at all. You can't keep up with your grandchildren. I personally never want to be in a position, well, eventually I probably will, but I don't ever want to be in a position where I can't keep up with my children or grandchildren, for me, even great-grandchildren. I want to be able to play with them and get down on the ground and wrestle around and play tag and all the things up into my old age. I want to be able to do that. And it just enriches all areas of your life. It makes you smarter and able to use your mind better as well. If you're getting the blood flowing to all areas of your body, if you're staying active, then you will stay young. Longer anyway. Everybody's going to get old. And then for the last thing that I want to talk about is finances. Get your finances in line. If you work a full-time job, find out a way for you to start a side hustle if you don't enjoy your job. And then someday your side hustle can become your main hustle. Right now I am doing affiliate marketing, and I am incorporating gaming into the affiliate marketing. And for the gaming and affiliate marketing, I am able to record myself playing video games and talk about different products or programs or things that I would recommend for people to get into if they're in the same stage of life as me, or maybe they want to be in a similar stage of life as me. Then I can recommend these different products. I can point them to these different links, and the links are tied to me so that anytime somebody clicks on those items and makes a purchase, I get a commission that helps me to attain the financial freedom that I am seeking. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out my channel. There are more things about affiliate marketing. But just in general, the financial freedom that you are after, if you're in debt, pay off your debt. And don't seek to go further and further into debt. I do have credit cards, but I pay those credit cards off. I don't have any car loans. There are just different avenues of finance that you want to maintain a good health of finance, and you want to be able to give to those who you love. That's what it's all about. I don't necessarily recommend getting rich just for the sake of having a lot of money. What I recommend is having money so that you can bless those that are around you. Having nice things is nice, but the goal of it is to give to others so that you can serve them. Use the money to serve others. And I pray and hope that anybody who's hearing this is blessed. And if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, check the links in the description. Otherwise, you guys have a great day.